This is bigger myth for most of the people. If he's busy always means, obviously, growth automatically will be there. No such type of terminology. Remember carefully. If he's busy means, busy means, on what things he is busy, that matters a lot. In Telugu, one wonderful saying is there. నిమిషం తీరిక లేదు
దమ్మిడి ఆదాయం లేదు.
దమ్మిడి ఆదాయం లేదు. What it means is, he's always busy from morning to evening. At the end of the day, hurry, how much he earned? If he's going to check his pocket, nothing will be there, empty pocket. నిమిషం తీరిక లేదు, దమ్మిడి ఆదాయం లేదు. He's busy, but what is the use? He's busy, but where is the growth? So, feel busy. We are busy doesn't mean automatically growth will be there. No such type of terminology. There is a person is there. There is another saying is there in Telugu. కొండను తవ్వి ఎలుకను పట్టాడంట. కొండను తవ్వి ఎలుకను పట్టాడు. What it means is, he dig a big hill, okay, to get something. Sir, after digging total hill, at last what this person got is a small mouse he got. Is that person is the busy or not? Respond. Because big hill digging is not that much easy. Is that person is the busy or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Busy. So, but the end, what is the result he got?
He got only
Small.
small mouse.
A small
got
rat, a small mouse. He got a small rat. Busyness. Okay, busy. It doesn't mean growth. Busy on higher priority things. That things must be required. Busy on higher priority things. That thing is the most important. Array, I'm busy. Where? Only on highest result activities only. Not on small waste activities.